Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this electric protein shaker bottle. I absolutely love it, guys. I think it's fantastic. I use it all the time after the gym whenever I try making my protein shake. It is super easy to use, guys. It comes with this electric base. It is very simple and easy to use. As you can see, the electric protein shaker bottle has a little lock here on the bottom. So it has like half of a lock, and then it has the other half on the electric base. Whenever you add all of your ingredients to the electric bottle, all you have to do is make sure you lock it. So you lock it into place, and then it has a little on button here, and then you're able to turn it on like this, and you can shake your protein. Now this helps a lot, guys, because now you don't have to manually shake up your bottle. All you have to do is just press the button and it will shake it for you. Now everybody makes their protein shakes different, but how I like to make it, I add 8 ounces of water to the bottle. So you can just take it off like this and then just open it up like this, and then you can add the water to it directly. So you add 8 ounces of water, and then I add my cup of protein, and then after I'm done, I just close it up. I put it together like this, how I taught you. So you just lock it up like this, and then you press the button, and then it's going to mix it up for you. Now it has 2 different options. You can press the button 1 time and it will mix for a total of 30 seconds, or you can press it 2 times and it will mix for 100 seconds. Another one of my favorite features, guys, is that whenever you press the button to turn it on, it turns on these LED lights in the bottom, making it a lot different from those regular shaker bottles that you have at home. It's also very similar to those regular shaker bottles, guys, in the sense that you can open it up like this. You can take it out and take it to the gym, or if you're running errands, you can just hold it from the little cap like this and take it around with you. It's also very lightweight, guys, so you can keep it on your gym bag. You can take it in your car. You can literally travel anywhere with it because it's just very portable. And whenever you mix your drink, whether it's 30 seconds or 100 seconds, it mixes it very nicely, guys. It leaves it smooth with no clumps, so I really love that. Also, whenever you have to recharge it, all you have to do is just open this little tab here, and then you can charge it using the charging cable that it comes with. You do have to provide the cube because it does not come with the cube, but it's super easy to use, guys. All you have to do is just charge it whenever it needs recharging. But I absolutely love it, guys. It's super easy to use. It's convenient. You can multitask while using it, and I really love it, guys, so I would definitely recommend it.